The Imarath church is demolished with just a powerful excavator, its long arm extending to dismantle each piece of the sturdy structure. The entire building collapses in an instant, with the sound of steel clashing and concrete shattering, creating a truly impressive scene. Oh my God, it's unbelievable! A staggering collapse scene, both impressive and haunting, as chunks of the structure break apart and fall in an instant. Everything seems to melt away under the force of destruction. Oh, the ZIL 131 timber truck is lifting its front end off the ground, leaving everyone in awe. Despite being overloaded, the truck powerfully overcomes the challenge, showcasing incredible driving skills. The scene is truly impressive, proving the strength and capability of the machinery. Share your thoughts on these journeys with a comment so we can gain the motivation to continue our passion for exploring and conquering new challenges. The precise, meticulous actions of the technical team make the crane stable and ready to face the challenge of heavy loads. The scene is one of professionalism and strength. Get ready for a series of incredible events. Every moment is worth your attention. Wow! Demolishing the house with the powerful Deere machine. Each impact shattering the walls, creating an impressive sight that you can't take your eyes off. The demolition of the Boss silo is truly impressive, as the powerful quad-track combines with the tow cables to bring down the massive silo. The strength of the machinery rises, with each cable taut, slowly pulling the silo to the ground. The scene is full of drama, showcasing the perfect blend of technology and power.
Now that 30-year-old grain dust headed our way.
Not as much dust as I thought, though. There'd be a lot more dust.
Wow, the demolition of the Franklinville UMC Church is truly spectacular, as the powerful arm of the Hitachi 300 excavator strikes the structure. Chunks of walls shatter, bricks and concrete fall in grandeur, creating an unforgettable moment of destruction that you can't take your eyes off. The giant demolition ball strikes the northern wall of the old Wichita Eagle building with a thunderous crash. Massive concrete panels from the elevator shaft shatter, falling in complete destruction. The scene is filled with drama and power, leaving a lasting impact. What do you think about transporting heavy goods on this dangerous mountain road? The sight of giant trucks transporting goods through narrow curves is truly a sight that makes people worried.
Right.
The skills of the Nepal backloader are truly impressive as it maneuvers through various harsh terrains. From rugged dirt and rocky roads to muddy areas, this machine remains steady, showcasing superior capability and precision in every move. The powerful Timberjack 460 stands strong against the 240 as it climbs the snow-covered hill, roaring its way through the challenge. The wheels glide over the thick snow, and the engine growls with power, proving the strength of the machinery in harsh conditions. The scene is truly impressive and full of vitality. Do you think there's no machine that can destroy everything? Think again. The PTH Rock Crusher, with its unmatched power, crushes large boulders, creating terrifying noises. The scene is incredibly powerful, proving the superiority of modern demolition technology. Wow, don't blink. The excavator is flying. What's it doing? Working while flying? The powerful crane lifts the excavator high into the air, drilling into the tough concrete structures. The scene is both breathtaking and dramatic, showcasing the perfect blend of technology and strength. The Special P, DAS Transport, completely blows me away. Those massive trucks, carrying heavy loads, navigate through rugged, challenging terrain. The scene is full of drama, proving the strength and precision of modern transportation technology. The perfect combination of transportation technology and machine power creates an impressive and dramatic scene. The Istrin's convoy, with its 204-foot-long oil column and a total weight of 485,000 pounds, moves slowly down the road. The overall length of the convoy leaves everyone in awe.